Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel Saku Teacher STSL. Today we are going to discuss about the Asian region. This is the first chapter of grade 9 geography and today we are going to discuss the third episode on this topic. In previous videos we discussed about the relative location of Asia, absolute location of Asia, uniqueness of the Asian region and Eurasia, also physical landscape of Asia. When discussing about the physical landscape of Asia, we discuss about only relief. Now today we are going to discuss about in this video about the drainage and climate. What are the physical landscape of in Asia? Now when we are discussing about the drainage, it is a feature of a physical landscape of Asia. Yes, the large number of river systems scattered all over the Asian region is the major characteristic of the drainage. The large number of, you have to remember when you hear the word drainage, you have to remember that the large number of river systems scattered all over the Asian region. The large number of river systems are a major characteristic of the drainage. These rivers flow into different oceans and seas. These rivers flow into different oceans and seas. Regarding this, we will discuss more on revision as a question and answer type video. There are several large lakes located in Asia. Among them, Baikal and Balkhas are major lakes. There are several large lakes located in Asia. Among them, Baikal and Balkhas are major lakes. Lake Baikal is considered as the deepest lake with fresh water located in the world. If someone asks from you that what is the deepest lake in the world, you may answer as Baikal, and you have to remember that Baikal is located in the Asian region. Now, climate. When we are discussing about the climate, the earth is divided into three main climatic zones. First one, tropical zone known as warm climate, temperate zone known as mild climate, and frigid zone known as cold climate. Warm, mild and cold climate. The earth can be divided into three main climatic zones as warm, mild and cold climates. The Asian continent spreads over to the North Pole from the equator. You know, the Asian continent spreads over to the North Pole from the equator. Therefore, all types of climate that belongs to those three climatic zones are found in the Asian region. Because the Asian continent spreads all over to the North Pole from the equator, these three climatic zones are found in the Asian region. What are the three main climatic zones found in the earth? Yes, tropical zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Now we will discuss more about the tropical zone known as warm climate. Very high temperature prevails throughout the whole year. Very high temperature, you have to underline this, very high temperature prevails throughout the whole year. The average temperature is more than 18 degrees, therefore a warm climatic condition prevails here. Temperate zone known as mild climate. The average temperature in this zone is lower than the tropical zone. The average temperature is lower than the tropical zone, but seasonal variations exist here due to the increase and decrease of temperature from time to time throughout the whole year. A clear warm season and cold season is seen here. In this area, a clear warm season and cold season can be seen. Average temperature may variations may have variations due to the increase and decrease of temperature from time to time. Frigid zone, cold climate. Frigid zone have known as cold climate. The main feature that can be seen here is the falling snow and land being covered with snow for a longer period of the year due to the lower level of temperature. In these zones, there is a lower level of temperature. The temperature have lower level. The main feature that can be seen here is the falling snow and land being covered with the snow for a longer period of the year. In these three climatic zones, several types of subclimates with different features are being seen due to the influence of various factors such as changes of the rainfall, influence of monsoons and oceans, altitude, location of mountain ranges, and continents. Climatic zones have several types of subclimatic climates with different features like changes of the rainfall, influence of monsoons and oceans, altitude, location of mountain ranges, and continents. Due to these reasons, there are subclimates with different features. In next video, we will discuss about the natural vegetation and wildlife. It is also a feature of a physical landscape in Asia. There are 4 features. You know now. There are 4 features in physical landscape of Asia: relief, drainage, climate, and natural vegetation and wildlife. In previous videos, we discussed about the relief, drainage, and climate. In next video, we will discuss about the natural vegetation and wildlife. I hope you learned something from my video. I suggest you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you feel this is a good channel, and share these videos with your friend, and keep in touch with me. Have a nice day. Thank you.